Hello guys, so we are starting a new series where I will be discussing and implementing a solution or will be doing a solution of a lead code problem. So today's problem is two sum. So it is a widely asked question inside a interview. So let's get started. So here we have a array. So in this question given an array of integer numbers and an integer target, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to the solution target to target. So basically there is a given array and the target is 9. We have to return the indices of values inside the array whose sum will be the 9. So there will be multiple solutions. So but it is saying that each input would have exactly one solution, so we won't go for that. So so let's start doing it. So first we have to check how can we do it. We can do it using the simple double loop, and the complexity will be n square. So we will create a for loop for first traversing these numbers and then checking the rest of the number to find if their sum is 9. So that will be the layman answer. So can you come up with an algorithm that is less than O of n square time complexity? So that's challenging to come up time complexity where the complexity is less than n square. So for that let's create a map. So we can create a map, and we can create we can traverse from each of the element. So from 2, 7, 11, 15, and we will check its complement. We will check if its complement is inside the map or not. So on the first element its complement would be 9 minus 2 is 7. So we will check if the 7 is inside the map or not, but it will not be the not will inside the map. Then we can simply put this value inside the map. So now 2 is at index 0, it which is inside the map. So let's write it map, and on first traversal 2 whose value is its index number, so this will be inside the map. Then we will go to the next index, that is 1, and its value 7. Then we will check if there is its complement is inside the map or not. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and we get the value 2 from the map, and then hence we will return 0 and 1 as the solution. Let's go to this example. 3, 2, 4, and the target is 6. So we know that 2 and 6 will be 6, but 2 and 4 will be the 6. But how can we do it? So on the first element we will simply add 3, 3, 0 in the map. Then we will again do 2, 1, and at that time because the inside the map there is 3 and its index is 0, that is not the complement of 2, because the 2 complement is 4. Then we will not be able to find it inside the map. Then we will traverse to the 4, and then we find the 2 4 complement, which is 2 at index 1. Then we will simply return 1 and 2 as the solution. So let's do it. So we will create a let variable map equals to new map, and a for loop where let if map dot get complement. So we have to calculate first complement. Let complement equals to target minus nums of I, and check if map dot get is there, complement is there or not. If there is the complement, then we can return if not, then we can simply map dot set first. So the problem was like I have written a get there, so it is has and there. So yeah, that's the solution. So we can do exactly the same solution using an object also. So we can assign a certain key value pair inside the object, and then we can get that value from it, and we can return it. So to get the value solution. So that's it from my side. Thank you. We'll meet inside a new question of Leetcode. Thank you.